In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup templates to 10x your productivity. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and make the most out of Clickup, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how you can leverage templates to boost efficiency and effectiveness in your daily tasks. First, you'll want to navigate over to Clickup. It's the all-in-one app designed to accommodate all your work needs. Once you're there, you'll see the login option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. Clickup provides a seamless login process, and if you already use Google for other work applications, it gets even easier. Simply click on Sign in with Google. This is particularly helpful as it integrates with your existing systems, reducing the hassle of managing multiple passwords. Now, once you're signed in, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. If you use multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one associated with your Clickup projects to ensure all data aligns correctly with your work environment. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here's where the magic begins. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots. By clicking on these dots, you'll reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to various settings and options that ClickUp offers. Within this menu, look for the Templates option. Click on it and you'll open up a whole new world of organized possibilities. Templates in ClickUp are pre-crafted setups that allow you to quickly jumpstart projects or tasks without needing to set up from scratch each time. Once you've entered the Templates section, it's time to dive deeper. Click on Browse Templates. This opens a library of ready-to-use templates designed for a myriad of purposes. Whether you're looking to manage a project timeline, keep track of task lists, or even plan out a detailed schedule, there's likely a template geared specifically towards your needs. Feeling like customizing your workflow even further? In the Browse Templates section, there's a search bar. Type in specific keywords like schedule, for example, to find templates tailored exactly to what you're aiming to accomplish. This feature is incredibly handy for pinpointing exactly what you need among an extensive library of choices. Lastly, once you've found a template that suits your needs, selecting it is as simple as clicking on it. This action will prompt a setup process, guiding you on how to integrate it into your workspace. Now you're all set with a customized tool that's ready to rocket your productivity to new heights. By following these steps, you will unlock the power of ClickUp templates, setting you on a path to greater productivity and more efficient work management. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.